Hello! Fuck it Friday once again. We're up to number 9. Can you believe that? Number 9. A bit like George Lucas. I always intended to do 9. Yeah, even though we said 3, I always intended to do 9 really. So we'll not get bogged out with any bullshit. I'm just gonna do it because I've got everything set up in next door and yeah, let's go. No point in waiting. So of course, there it is, yet again. Big flask, the Eagle Lander, right there. We're going to do it with the Imperial Stout again. Not going to do a big mad one. Okay, so once again I'm going with a wheat beer. In fact, I've already got one on the go here. This is Erdinger. I think I'm going to brew my own for the summer. Temperatures are starting to heat up over here, so nothing like sitting outside in the sun with one of these. It's great. It's good if you have a lager as well though. In fact, it's good as long as you get a drink, it doesn't matter what it is. There we go, all the yeasties left in the bottom there. Be saving that. Just drink it out of the bottle now. This is how you drink a wheat beer. Not bad. Okay. Let's just go and fucking do it. Oh. Okay, so as ever, I've made some improvements to the design. In fact, I've made big changes to the design. So, I've basically done away with the Helter Skelter altogether. So, this is what we're looking at here. We're going for distance. So yeah, I'm going to pour the beer here. I'm going to pump it way over there. And if I zoom in, see that big hose pipe? It's apparently going to be coming out of that into that glass. I may go and get the Eagle Lander actually. Yeah, this is going to be fun. Of course I haven't tasted it as usual. Okay, we are go for lunch. Go, go, go. I'm looking at this and it's pointed up the way, so I'm expecting the beer to come out and go straight over the top. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Okay, so this is good. 7-8 feet. There it goes. There it goes. Come on. Come on, be gentle. Be gentle. Come on. Come on, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Shit, it's almost the table. Pump harder, pump harder. Oh no. Oh no. Shit. It's almost on the table and I'm at the other side of the room. Shit. Quack. Do it, quack. Oh, look at the foam. Look at the foam. Oh my god. It's like a fucking ice cream sundae. Ah. What's that? What's that? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Quack! Fuck! Fuck off! Shit! Oh, let's go next door. Bloody hell! Did you see that? Shit everywhere. My god. It's like a foam party in there. Okay, so did it work? Did it not work? Oh, yes. There you are. That's what you get when you mix a wheat beer and an Imperial Stout. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely vile smell though. See what it tastes like. Tastes like victory. Sweet victory. So yeah, it's worked again. I mean, it's a complete fucking shambles in there, like, but it worked. So yeah, where do we go from here? Bloody hell! If I can pump it from 8 feet away, you know, the world is your lobster, rudders. As someone once said, the world is your lobster. Where do we go from here? Right enough. Next week will be number 10. Is there any movies really that's... is there 10 movies? Well, I suppose Harry Potter. Yeah, because the 9th one was 2 parts, wasn't it? Other than that, we're talking James Bond, Star Trek. That's it. Leonard Part 6. Let's not forget that one. It's just flashed into my head there. Don't know why. Good old Bill Cosby. Right, okay, well, I'm going to go before I start rambling. So, yeah. Bottoms up.